Good evening all. Today I come with a SMPS. The problem is that this portion you see is black color. This portion has burned. So I have to replace these parts with this one. I just attach the modular. Actually you see this IC, this IC this is the 8-pin IC. I have to open because the IC has broken, okay, due to short circuit, and I also open the MOSFET. Okay, let's see. We are going to open one by one and repair the SMPS. My idea is that I just open this IC and attach this modular, make sure that the output voltage will be 12 volt. This is a DVD SMPS. Okay, so I am going to open the IC. This is a 8-pin IC. I open it through desolder wire. This is the IC, and IC actually number I can't see the number because the IC has broken due to over voltage, this one. Okay, then I going to open the MOSFET, sorry, optocoupler. Okay, this one the optocoupler. I just open it. And also I open the MOSFET, this one the MOSFET. Due to the over voltage or short circuit, if parts of the SMPS has damaged, so I open this one. I am using desolder wire to remove the solder. Here it is. I open it. Now this is the red and this is the black, and red I attach it direct to the transformer. Okay, and black is negative. also see a condenser has burst and damaged. So I just open the condenser also. Actually, it is a difficult job because the number of the main IC I can't see. Actually, has damaged the number. So I am going to install this modular, and just for experiment purpose I see that the voltage will come or not. So, and this is the green part. These are 3 wire coming out from this modular. One is positive, one is negative, and another one I attach it in the modular, in the optocoupler, sorry. So where it will be, let's see. Actually, in optocoupler input side there is a 2 input. One input will be attached with the negative point. So I find out the negative point, which one is negative. What I do, I just open this jumper which is connected to the optocoupler from this circuit. Though actually we are using this modular, so we have no need to connect this circuit. Okay, so I just open it, the jumper, and attach So here it is. Actually, you see carefully, this is the 4 point where the optocoupler is attached. This one is, this point is negative, this point is negative and this point is positive. So I attach green wire this positive side and this negative side remains same. Okay, now we are going to giving the supply. This is the AC jack and this is the AC.